Hi, I'm Jason. If you run a security company, you already know that managing guards across multiple locations isn't easy. Maybe you're scheduling guards using spreadsheets, maybe guards are texting you when they arrive on site, and maybe incident reports are still being written on paper. Or maybe you're constantly answering phone calls asking things like, where's my next shift? Who's covering tonight? Did the guard actually arrive? And has the patrol been completed? The reality is, as your security company grows, those manual systems quickly become difficult to manage. That's where Connecteam comes in. Connecteam is an employee management platform that helps you with scheduling, GPS clocking, patrol checklists, and also incident reports and internal communication, and much more from one mobile app. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step how I would set up Connecteam if I were running a security guard company. Here's what we'll be covering. First, I'll be showing you how to create employee accounts, build guard schedules, GPS clockings, patrol checklists, incident reports, team communication, shift management, and a complete daily workflow. I've also included a link in the pinned comment and description to Connecteam that you can use to sign up and test out the platform for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Connecteam's homepage. From there, you're just going to tap on Start 14-Day Free Trial, and you'll be able to create your account using your email address. After you have created your account, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap right where you see my name, and from there you're going to tap where you see settings. After you have selected settings, this is where you'll be able to set up your company information. For example, you can fill in your company name, company address, and also set the time zone as you can see right here. And by going over to the left hand menu option, you can also upload your company logo, and you can add in the different informations as you can see right here. You can also set in the pay rate and so on. Once you're finished setting that up, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap right where you see users, as it is now time to add your employees. So you're going to select users, and what you're going to do for me is you're going to tap right where you see add users right here, and you have a few options when it comes onto Connecteam. You could choose to either import users. So for example, if you have their information on a CSV file, you can choose to upload the CSV file. You can choose to invite by link by simply sharing a link. You can choose to generate a QR code that they can scan, or you can simply tap on add manually. After selecting add manually, you'll be able to fill in their first, last name, and mobile phone number as you can see right here. And you'll also be able to add in their birthday and also their employment start date, so you can fill that in. And a beautiful thing about Connecteam is you'll be able to add up to 10 users for completely free, as they have a small business owner plan that you can use Connecteam free forever once you have under 10 users. So that's a good option that you can also explore if you're just starting out with your security guard company. Now, after you have added your employees, you're going to see all of them right here. The next thing you'll need to do now, you're going to be creating your first shift schedule. To create a shift schedule, what you're going to do for me is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on schedule. After you have selected schedule, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, here's what you're going to do. You have two options. You can either tap right here where you see create and publish. You could simply tap on the three dots and select add shift, or you could tap right here on add, and from there you could select add single shift. So you have different options that you can choose from. So let's say for example we were to add a shift, and let's say the shift will be, we'll simply tap right here on the date, and let's say the shift will be tomorrow, Friday, and it will begin at 7 a.m. So I'll choose the time right here, and it is going to be until 3 p.m. So let's select 3 p.m. right here. After doing that, all I'll need to do now, I can simply select the location. So I can tap on select location, and let's say it will be location A. And by the way, you can also add in new locations. So you can tap on edit list and you'll be able to add in new locations, and I'll also be showing you a second option how you can add in new location. After you have done that, it is going to fill in the address and so on. Then you're going to select the user. So for example, let's say Jason will be on that shift. I can simply select Jason and I can select different guards also. Once you're finished doing this, you're just going to tap on publish. And just like that, he's going to automatically receive a notification on his phone, and he'll also receive an email notifying him of his new shift. So no longer can they say that they didn't know that they have a shift to pick up, as they'll automatically receive a notification. By the way, if you want to add a new location, all you'll need to do after you have selected location right here, you can simply tap on edit list. Then from there, you'll tap on create new, and this is how you'll be able to set up a new location. So you can add in multiple locations. Next, we're going to talk about GPS clock in. So now let's look at one of my favorite features, GPS time clock. Imagine your client pays you to have a guard at a warehouse beginning at 7 p.m. Instead of trusting someone, instead of relying on the guard to say, I'm here, the employee opens Connecteam, taps clock in, and the app records time, GPS location, shift, employee, and now management can verify the guard arrived at the correct location. Some businesses also choose to use geofencing, so employees can only clock in from an approved work area. Now to set up this, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you're going to tap right where you see time clock. After you have selected time clock, you'll be redirected to this page. On time clock, you can see right here, this is where you'll be able to see them on a map, so you can see the information right here. So you'll be able to see where each employee is when they clock in. And if it is a case that you like to toggle on geofencing, you can simply tap on add geofence sites, and you'll be able to set up that feature. And you'll see each employee, you'll be able to see when they have clocked in, when they have clocked out, and also the hours they have done. So you'll be able to monitor everything from this section, and it is also available on the Connecteam mobile app. So this creates better accountability than relying on phone calls or text messages. Now let's create something every security company needs: patrol checklists. Instead of paper forms, we'll be creating digital inspections. For example, night patrol checklists, which would include main entrance secure, rear entrance secure, emergency exits clear, and fire extinguishers visible. To set this up, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add new. After you have selected add new, from there you can select all, and you're going to select forms. So you can see right there, you're going to tap on add forms. After you have added forms, you'll tap on forms from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on add new. And once you have selected add new, you can choose to either use a template if they have a template for security companies, or you can choose to start from scratch. So let me show you how it would look. So let's say, for example, I were to select this one, and let me quickly see if they have any for security companies. I doubt they do. As you can see right here, they don't at the moment. But let's say, for example, I were to select this one. After selecting it, you can see how it would look here on a mobile device. So first, you have all of the options. So for example, you can add in the main entrance secure, rear entrance secure, and so on, and they'll be able to tick all of those options: fence checked, suspicious activity observed, and they can also attach photos, as you can see right here. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add a field that you don't see, you can tap on add field right here, and you have different elements that you can quickly add. So now the guard simply checks each item while walking the property. This helps you create consistency because every guard follows the same process instead of relying on memory. You can even require certain questions before the checklist can be submitted. So to set this up, if you want to ensure that they have to fill in the questions, all you need to do is simply tap on the pencil icon. So let's say we were to select edit. Then from there you can toggle on required, and you're going to tap on confirm, and you will see the red asterisk. So that's how you'll make the question required. Now once you have created your checklist, you're going to tap on save. After you have saved it, what you're going to do next is you can send it to specific users if you want, or you can send it to all users. So you could select a group and you could send it to, for example, field agents only. You can do that. Then you'll tap on next and you're going to see their names right here, and you'll just tap on next and they'll automatically receive this. Whenever they're in the Connecteam app, they can quickly access this feature. And the beautiful thing about it is, if you were to update that form, everyone would automatically receive the update. Now imagine a guard discovers a broken window, unauthorized visitor, or a vehicle damage or a fire alarm. Instead of writing everything on paper, they can open Connecteam, select new incident report, and they can then record incident type, location, date, time, description, photos, videos, witnesses, and priority level once submitted. Management immediately receives the report, and this creates a much faster reporting process compared to waiting until the end of the shift. So this is perfect. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to set up any other type of forms, you can also do that by going over to the left hand menu option. You can create multiple forms. You can also create documents. And with security companies, it relies heavily on communication. Maybe a shift change, a client changes instruction, a guard calls in sick, a severe weather warning is issued. Instead of sending dozens of text messages, you can send one announcement. To access this feature, you'll select chat. After selecting chat, from here you have multiple options. You can either choose to chat with a specific security guard, so you can choose to have a one-on-one conversation. You can choose to create team chat. You can choose to create broadcast. You have numerous options that you can choose from. And by the way, with Connecteam communication option, you'll be able to know whenever someone has read the message, and you'll also be able to see who hasn't read the message. So this is perfect. This keeps conversations organized instead of mixing everything together. And another thing that I want to talk about is document storage, as many companies also need guards to access documents. Examples include post orders, emergency procedures, client instructions, and evacuation plans. Rather than carrying printed binders, guards can access the latest approved versions directly from the app by simply adding the Documents feature. So you can add the Documents feature by tapping on Add New, and from there you can do that. So this means when procedures change, you update the document once instead of printing dozens of copies. And let's say you have hired 5 new employees. Instead of spending an entire day repeating the same orientation, you can create onboarding material. To create onboarding material using Connecteam, you'll simply tap on Add New. Then from there, you're just going to be selecting onboarding. So for example, in the onboarding information, you can add in company introduction, customer service, radio procedures, use of force policy, and so on. So new guards can complete the training from their phones before beginning their first assignment. You can also track who has completed required training. Now with all of this information, who would I say Connecteam is best for? So I would recommend Connecteam to small security companies, growing security firms, mobile patrol companies, event security, hospital security, school security, or corporate security or apartment complexes. Basically, if your guards are working in the field, Connecteam makes a lot of sense. However, if you're looking for a dedicated security operations platform with features such as advanced guard tour hardware, client billing, dispatch, or integrated alarm monitoring, you may also want to compare specialized security management software alongside Connecteam. Think of Connecteam as an excellent workforce management platform rather than a complete security operations system. And by the way, if we were to check out the pricing of Connecteam, as I was saying earlier, when it comes onto Connecteam, you can use their small business plan and you'll be able to add up to 10 users and you can use it free forever. But if you have a larger team, you can go onto their paid plan for as low as $29 per month, and it can go up to $99 per month depending on the amount of users you have and also the amount of features that you want. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.